Welcome back to Destination Jamaica. This channel is about highlighting the positives about Jamaica. The positive so far this Olympic is the rise of Jamaica in the field events is a sign of great things to come. For the first time in Jamaica's athletic history, Jamaica has more field medals than medals on the track. The last time Jamaica had an Olympic field medal was 2008 when Chelsea Hammond took the bronze in the women's long jump. Before that, it was James Beckford in 1996 Atlanta when he took the silver in the men's long jump. So far at this Olympics, Jamaica has medal in the men's shot put, women's triple jump and men's long jump, with more athletes in the field with strong potential of medaling. Jamaica had 88 Olympic medals heading into the Olympics, and only 3 of them were off the track. We have already matched that total so far this Olympics. Rajendra Campbell got the medal count rolling with his 3rd place finish in the men's shot put. Jamaica's first medal in the shot put event, followed by the veteran Shanika Ricketts' long-awaited first Olympic medal, with her 2nd place finish in the women's triple jump, after finishing 4th at the Tokyo Olympics. Wayne Pinnock would follow that up with a silver medal of his own in the men's long jump. What's going on in the field events for Jamaica is historical and shouldn't be overlooked. Jamaica has never gotten more than 1 field event Olympic medal at a time. Shanika Ricketts explains what she credits the rise in Jamaica field event talent pool to.
I think it has to do with visibility. Myself and Kimberly has been doing exceptionally well on the Diamond League circuit. And then when we get to major championships, we pick up medals here and there, and we're always in the finals. So I think when persons see us doing well on the big stage, it's on TV, so young athletes see that and they want to do just that as well. And I'm very excited for where things are going. I think even in the men's long jump and the men's triple jump, we have some very good contenders, and I'm excited to see what they do at the games.
I know it's not as exciting as our sprinters blazing the track, but with all the injuries, frustration, confusion and disappointment on the track, there's no need to beat up the panic button yet. Jamaica's athletics is in a good place. Imagine when our sprinters get back healthy and on track. With the rise of our field athletes, who can stop we? Even with all the drama, we still lead the Caribbean in Olympic medals. When it comes to track and field in the West Indies, the destination is still Destination Jamaica.